Rahul Verma, do you believe that there could be such a tectonic shift because more women have voted than men? As per the Axis survey, 42% women have voted for NDA and 43% of them have voted for the Mahagathbandhan. Among men, on the other hand, 37 have voted for the NDA and 44 for the Mahagathbandhan. So clearly the Mahagathbandhan's lead was much bigger among men than women. Could that be a factor come tomorrow?
Yes, we cannot rule out the possibility of that factor. In fact, what Rajat said about Tamil Nadu can very much happen even in Bihar. I'm not saying it will happen. All other indications do point to that tomorrow MGB is likely to have an edge. But you also need to remember, even in the Axis poll, which has a very, very large sample of 63,000 voters, in their sample, 69% of the respondents are men and 31% are women, right? So even in the Axis poll, women are disproportionately less. I'm not, but they do write that rider in their notes saying that
he did statistically. Just a minute, Rahul. He statistically told me that while he polled 69% men and 31 women, eventually when he gave the final numbers, he did a 50-50 equal distribution of women and men vote.
I completely agree with you. He did mention that in the note. But you know, this is I don't want to go into the statistical sampling weight issues, but it opens up the possibility. See, Nitish Kumar did basically consolidated the women vote in 2010, but actually women started favoring him in 2005. The February election he lost, but when he basically came back in 2005 October, it was largely due to the women voter. So what we saw in Bihar in last 15 years, that Nitish Kumar is extremely popular among women voters. And you can very well see the possibility, if this is the 5% sort of difference in the turnout, and if they turn in a similar number like the past for Nitish Kumar, the election could be close. Now, I'm not saying this will give Nitish Kumar or NDA a decisive edge against Mahagathbandhan, but if election becomes close in terms of vote share, because there are polls like Lokniti CSDS poll, post-poll survey, they are basically saying the difference between the two alliances is just 3 percentage points, right? Which basically lies within the margin of error. Now, if it becomes 1.5 percentage point, you don't know how seats will turn out.
Okay, so what you're saying is it's possible that if the women have voted strongly for the NDA, it could make it a tighter contest. That's exciting and interesting for us as we give the results on Tuesday morning. The second X factor that I want to turn out, and this is really the real finding of most exit polls, will the youth factor give Tejasvi a clear edge? Just to explain, in the Axis My India poll for India today, in the 18 to 25 age group, 34% said they would vote for the NDA and 47% for the Mahagathbandhan. So a 13% difference. However, among the age group 61 and above, 48% said they would vote for the NDA, 38% for the Mahagathbandhan, a 10% edge here for the NDA. Net, the younger you are, the more likely you are to vote for the Mahagathbandhan. Sandeep Shastri, Bihar is the state with the youngest population in proportionate terms in the country at the moment. Do you believe that gives, in a way, Tejasvi Yadav the ability to swing the youth vote transcending caste?
Rajdeep, as we have been consistently stating, Tejasvi Yadav could have had an appeal to the younger voter, the younger than 25, younger than 35 age group. And he did make the point towards the end of the campaign that vote for the RJD looking at me and not looking at what the party did in the past. And you are talking of a generation, you are talking of people less than 35 years of age who had not started looking at politics in an active way when you had Lalu Prasad Yadav's government or Rabdi Devi's government. This also explains why the older generation, the older the generation we go to, the greater is the likelihood of support for the JDU and the BJP. So I think this factor needs to be very much budgeted into the analysis, that you are talking of a younger voter who has not himself or herself experienced what is often termed as the Jungle Raj by the BJP and the JDU. They have seen the last 15 years, and possibly the economic indicators, the employment indicators which they had seen in the recent past could have impacted on the way they have looked at things. So I think the youth vote is critical in terms of the support the Mahagathbandhan is getting.